In the competitive job market, recruiting and retaining top talent is a priority for any organization. So today we're going to explore how offering first aid training as a benefit can be a game changer for your organization. Providing first aid training isn't just about that compliance, it's about attracting and retaining the best employees. Let's delve into how this benefit can transform your corporate culture. So here are the points to consider. Attracting top talent and standing out in recruitment, enhanced employee satisfaction and retention, positive impact on employee morale and engagement, fostered loyalty and a strong workplace culture, a commitment to employee well-being and development. Offering first aid training as a benefit is not just a perk, it's a strategic move for success in recruitment and retention. It's about knowing the organization's values, its employees, and invests in their growth and their safety. Offering first aid training as a benefit is not just a trend, it's the path to a workforce that's engaged and loyal. Because in your workplace, first aid is not just a skill, it's a valued benefit.